Silver just surged to nearly $80 with Elon Musk stating bluntly, and I quote, "This is not good." Now, folks, I'm not psychic. I don't have a crystal ball, but for the past 5 years on this channel, I've been talking about how detrimental silver would be for Elon or someone like Elon if silver's prices start rising and it starts becoming harder to obtain. This is the first video I talked about, February of 2021. And over the years, you can see I've brought this up. I knew this day was coming. Right here, silver could destroy Elon Musk. I made that video September 7th, 2021, and I've gone over this many times because we knew this was going to happen. Producers will turn into the consumers, and the consumers will turn into the producers. Think about Elon Musk, and I said Elon just for people to understand. He's just like the mascot. Think of any company like Elon that owns Starlink or SpaceX. Think about the cost of production if silver prices, or now that silver prices are starting to skyrocket. But not only the cost of production, think about how hard it's going to be to source this silver. And that's why there's been rumors of Elon Musk owning a silver mine. And these were rumors from years ago. But just think of any company, any tech company that needs silver. And one, the prices are skyrocketing, so cost of production is going to go through the roof. But also, even if they were willing to pay these prices, they can't even find it. That is not good, which is what Elon just said, and this is why I've been saying this for years, that this day would come. Mike Maloney wrote an open letter to Elon Musk urging him to buy silver. He said, "Elon, you plan to make this many Teslas by the year 2030 with silver at 20-something dollars. You'll pay this much. If it's 50, you'll pay this much. If it's over 100, you'll pay this much." Elon actually responded and thanked Mike Maloney. David Morgan also wrote a letter to Elon Musk. So this is not new news, but finally Elon is saying it. The cat's out of the bag. But I just wanted to show, for years I've been making videos talking about this moment, and it finally happened. I'm not psychic though. I've just been doing this for a very long time. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning into your daily silver news. My name is Silver Slayer, and if you want the latest information on what's happening across the globe and how that affects the price of silver on a daily basis, make sure you click subscribe. One last announcement. My book, Silver is the New Gold, Divorcing the Dollar That's Designed to Enslave You, is now available on Amazon, the paperback version or the ebook version. Right now, it is a #1 bestseller on Amazon. This book is 10 plus years of researching, diving deep, dissecting the silver market, all in one book. Silver Stacker's Handbook. You can grab yours, support the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Buy a couple copies, send them to friends and family. That book will plant the seed. If you read that book through and through, you'll be on the same page as any silver stacker, pun intended. Let's jump into this. Silver prices are nearing $80, with Elon Musk stating that this is not a good thing for industrial development. Impacted by global structural deficits, plummeting inventories, and the disconnection in paper trading, silver is currently experiencing supply constraints. Given its irreplaceable role in photovoltaic and EV sectors, these supply bottlenecks are posing significant challenges to modern industrial change. I've been saying this for years. Just like, and this is about 2019 when I started really preaching this, this guy came out and quoted, he said, "If you think we have enough silver to go green, you're living in la la land." I heard that probably around 2019, 2020, and ever since then it stuck, and I really tried to get people to understand this. Many people said, "Oh, there's no silver shortage," or "Silver Slayer, stop saying that there's no silver. I could still go to my coin shop and buy Eagles." It's like, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. I meant on a much bigger scale. I meant this, what Elon's talking about. I didn't mean, and that's actually happening too. You can't even really go to your local coin shop or online. Everywhere is sold out. But that wasn't what I was talking about. I was talking about this. I was talking about silver on a global scale being needed to make the world literally go round as we try to advance in this new digital technological era, and we just don't have enough of it. That's what I meant when I said that we're running out of silver. Just imagine you're Elon Musk or you own a big tech company. Imagine how scary this would be if you do not have a direct source. You're already having to pay much higher prices, but now what are you going to do? Cut back, not saying Elon will do this, but what? You'll have to cut back the amount of Teslas you produce each year, maybe halt the production. I mean, think about that, and they have to pay the price. If you want the newest, latest iPhone, you better hope they'll pay the price. But just think about this on a global scale. And that's why I've always said the silver shortage is dangerous. Yes, we make a pretty penny, but at what cost? Even when silver skyrockets, okay, cool, we're all, we all are wealthy now. That's, you can't make silver out of thin air. And silver is the most highly conductive metal for thermal conductivity, electricity, and light sensitivity. So the silver shortage is very, very dangerous. And I don't know anyone else that's been on YouTube as long as me saying this to the degree that I am. I've been saying this in really showing how dangerous this is for probably 6-7 years now. I've been making daily videos on YouTube for over 10 years now, but around 2019, 2020, I really started to understand, and actually I've been saying silver will explode by the year 2025 to 2026. I've been saying that for since about 2020 as well, and I'm spot on. I'm not trying to say I told you so, because a lot of you knew as well. I'm just saying that everything is starting to come together. Right, it is, and I'm not trying to, say, oh, I was right about it. I don't care that I'm glad I was right, because all the people that have been watching me for all these years can now feel validated and hopefully have made a pretty penny and listened, as they've been buying silver over the years for nowhere near these prices, half the price, even a third of the price. But regardless, it's just important to note how big of a deal this is for industrial development. So, Musk made the above comments on the social media platform X in response to discussions about the explosive growth in silver's price due to severe global supply shortages. Musk commented, "This is not good. Silver is essential in many industrial processes." And Elon Musk has mentioned silver before. He actually followed Wall Street Silver in, like the Reddit page in February of 2021 when they shot it up to 30. Elon Musk followed them on Twitter, and I'm pretty sure he mentioned the Reddit page. He acknowledged Mike Maloney, his response, urging him to buy silver. I've heard rumors through the grapevine that he owns a silver mine, but this was something years ago that I heard. So if he does, he's sitting fine, but maybe he's talking about industry in general, not him in particular. Now, when I'm looking at, the everyday business, this is game changing, and it's looking like it's purposely happening from China, China cutting off the supply chain to the West. They know this was going to happen. They know that, look at the Belt Road Initiative. Look at all of these things. The BRICS new exchanges coming out, and how, China in January 1st, 2026, what they're doing. Saudi Arabia in April, I think it's April 16th, 2026, what they're doing. It's like everything is starting to come together. All the slices, all the pieces of this puzzle are all fitting together, but everyone's been cutting out the West, and now we kind of shot ourselves in the foot since we are so dependent and reliant on them. We have to outsource everything. We are at the mercy of them. And like I said with Mexico years ago, when Mexico talked about nationalizing silver, Mexico being one of the biggest producers, Mexico's like, why are we exporting all this silver? Why don't we keep it for ourselves? It's ours. What are we doing? And I talked about that, but happening all over the world, not just Mexico, and everything is starting to happen. It's fortunate for us in dollar terms, if you're looking to sell or whatever. And I guess I could say it's fortunate in terms of silver's price rising, but it's very scary for the economy and industry moving forwards. Analysis indicates that the global silver market has been in a structural deficit for 5 consecutive years, with physical inventories rapidly depleting, inventory levels at major exchanges significantly declining. The market is experiencing real-time supply constraints rather than being driven by safe haven demand. And actually, I want to see something. So this is my channel. I'm going to go to silver shortage. I want to see how long I've been talking about the silver shortage. So these are all my videos. So July 24, 2021. This is me talking about the Hunt brothers causing a silver shortage. Can we do the same? I was talking about, obviously, the Wall Street silver movement, also doing the silver squeeze, what the Hunt brothers did. This is David Morgan says $150 silver coming with the silver shortage. That's when I interviewed him. The silver shortage will cause a catastrophic disaster. Wow. I said that August 15th, 2021. August 15th, 2021. I was talking about what is happening now from the future. 5 years ago, I knew this day was coming. And I'm not trying to say I told you so, because a lot of you knew as well. But what I was talking about on April 15, 2021 is now happening right now. And Elon Musk yesterday just mentioned it. This is another one. Silver shortage coming from Wall Street silver. Biden fears a silver shortage because he was pushing the Green New Deal. Silver shortage got even worse. That's with supply deficits. The silver shortage would be a catastrophic disaster. Silver shortage causing a huge problem. Silver shortage extremely dangerous. And this is silver shortage a hoax. That's someone saying that, oh, there is no shortage, or this isn't. So I was kind of like mocking them. So yeah, I've been look at all these videos. I've been talking about it. Now it looks like this is all I talk about, but these are months spaced out because I post daily videos. So these videos are not just coming out every single day talking about this. These are these are months apart, each one of these. But I wanted to keep reminding people that this is going to be bad. And right now we finally are effing around and found out, because a lot of people are new to my channel, maybe don't know that I've been one of the first silver stacking channels on YouTube. You know, a lot of people might think I'm just some dude that just came in here a couple years ago and wanted to just grab the spotlight. Don't know that I was literally one of the first YouTube channels or silver channels on YouTube. Like me, Salivate Metal, Silver Slacker, Backyard Bullion, Yankee Stack, like that's like top 5. All these new channels, they're great and stuff, but we've been here since day one. And I want you guys just to know that like I know what I'm talking about, and that's why you should buy my book. And I'm not saying buy my book, I don't care about money. I really have been doing this every day to spread the word of silver, help people that's never invested a single penny in their entire life. That's what I want, right? I want to help people preserve their wealth. And you can do that by investing in precious metals and not letting your money burn away in your bank account. The second half of the subtitle of my book is Divorcing the Dollar That's Designed to Enslave You. Divorce the dollar because it's designed to enslave you. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Folks, like, I'm not a cocky person. I'm the exact opposite. When I show you guys that I've been talking about this for years I'm just showing you that this is not new. This was coming, and now it's finally here. Everyone who's been waiting patiently, it's here. It's here. The time is now. Your patience has paid off. So anyways, I love you all. Make sure to grab my book, Silver is the New Gold. And, leave good reviews, share it, buy multiple copies, send some to friends, family, support channels like myself that are out here grinding every day, trying to spread the word and help others. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.